Welcome. Got a quick viewer request for a video on this, which is the Multiprotocol Tx module. This is for you, Omen. How to get your other channels working for features like rates and flips and so forth. So what we need to do is go into the menu setup and so forth, go to your inputs. For me, I know channel 6 on this is flips, so we'll utilise that as a example. So input 6, come down to your source, change that to whatever switch you want. For me, it's my momentary. Back out of this to the inputs. There you go. Input 6, switch. Go to your mixer, and we want channel 6. Select on it, and then go back out, and that should assign channel 6 to this. Worth noting, ppm external module channels 1 to 12, as the other video top right will depict. So once that's been set, plug your cord in, do your stick command, that's bound. Should get a flip on the momentary switch now. There we go. Not exactly easy trying to get this to flip in a 12 inches of space, but as you see, that's working with this momentary switch. The hardest bit is ascertaining what channels do what function on each quads. There's not a definitive list that I can find. For me, this is channel 6 to flip. I couldn't find the rates on it, but one thing to note, you will need to rebind or reinitialize the system once you've changed an input or an output on the mixer. So just cycle the transmitter and reinitialize. I think you're able to just turn it on. The previous protocol will be existing without having to do the stick commands again. So I hope this helped you out, Omen. I wish I could be more help, but this is the only thing I got on hand. So good luck. Anything else I can help you with, let me know. I'll see what I can do. Happy flying. You Billy. Hey.